Everyone is talking about ChatGPT and how to make money with. But there are 3 unique methods I didn't find anyone talking about. These methods are proven methods I tested and I make more than $3,000 per month with, and you can do it. Let's start with number 1. Let's open ChatGPT, create an API for you and sell it for a monthly recurring membership. And what's nice about this method? We can start with a $0 no investment required. Let me show you how to do this in 1 minute. But before, let's see what's an API. It's simply something that developers use to access data or phone operations through their code. A simple example. If you want now to publish a post on Instagram, you need simply to go and open your mobile phone or your web browser, open Instagram and publish using the browser or the Instagram interface. What if you're a developer and you want to access Instagram with your application? With your own code, you will need to use the Instagram API. So simply API is like a broker. It's a middleman between you, the developer, and a certain service like Instagram or anything else. Now you know what's an API. Let's create one in seconds with ChatGPT. Go open in ChatGPT and let's test creating an API that generate code so anyone can use in their own applications. So here is the code. Let's copy it. Just open Visual Studio, create a controller, the code, and here we are. Let's run it. And the API is up in less than 1 minute. Now you need to publish this API. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it where we can publish this for free. And here we are. We have multiple options to start with. Okay, now where to sell it again. Let's ask ChatGPT. And here we are. We have a lot of marketplaces where we can publish our API and sell it like Rapid API and much. You can even tell ChatGPT to rewrite the code in any programming language you want, like Node.js or Python, anything you want, and we'll do it in seconds. Awesome. Okay, it looks simple. It is. But the main problem is with the API idea from where to get an idea that people will buy or developers will buy. Don't worry, I will help. I will give you some ideas on how to find the best API ideas in seconds. Stay tuned. But now let's move on to method number 2. Instead of an API, we are going to tell ChatGPT to create something more interesting. Let's create a tool, a free tool that we can monetize with more than 10 ways, and a lot of other free tools over the internet. We have a lot of, so it's time to create yours. Let's go to ChatGPT again and create a simple word counter. Here we are. Open Visual Studio Code. Create 3, 5, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Simply paste the code. We have a tools website. Let's tell ChatGPT to make the interface more interesting, more professional. Again, copy the code, paste it, and here we are. We have this awesome tools website. I played with ChatGPT. I created more than 5 tools. In less than 1 hour, try it. But the big question now, how to stand in the competition. We have a lot of tools website. So how to compete simply for these 4 rules. Number 1, create a unique interface. Still ChatGPT and play with it till it create the best user interface. Number 2, combine multiple tools in one website. Number 3, talk about your tool on Medium, Reddit, on social media, and Twitter. And number 4, the most important, try to find low competition tool. How I will tell you again in a little bit, but let's now move on to method number 3. The easiest one. We are going to sell many JS files. For example, do you see these floating sharing buttons on website? This is a script I bought from Code Canyons. So someone developed and I paid for this script, a simple JavaScript. And you can do the same. Also, I know a lot of people making thousands of dollars every single month selling JavaScript files on Code Canyon. We have a lot of ideas of simple scripts, so why not you go and create one totally free, publish it and sell it. Wait a minute. What I explained today doesn't mean you have to be lazy and rely only on AI. If you do this, you'll be killing your creativity and use AI and ID as an assistant, otherwise it'll overtake you, your skills, your job, everything. And it already did with a lot of businesses. Even my business was affected. This why? To protect yourself and your children, and your job, and your skills and your future, you have to focus on these 2 things. Number 1, invest in yourself. Learn every day. Number 2, you have to watch my videos and subscribe me to learn every day. If you learn something new today, I appreciate smashing the like button.